A beautiful bouquet from my heart to yours. Mwah. Good morning, lovers. It's your friend Alan Stone here. Beyond just Oscar-winning singer-songwriter, I also am a world-class wedding planner. Can you believe it? Can you? Today, you have found me in the WeddingWire headquarters, and I'm going to detail just how to put together the perfect bouquet. Over here, we have some lavender. This is a Missouri moccasin right here. It's a good flower. Right here, we got the old standard, rhododendron. This is bay leaf. Some thyme right there. That's goes well in pasta. This is patchouli. This, of course, is dandelion. It's a GMO dandelion. Don't get your face too close to that one. You might get a rash. Are you ready? Are you taking notes? Do you have your notepad? You might ask yourself, where do we start? If you're like most folk, you just go buy a pre-assembled bouquet at a Fred Meyer maybe, or a Rosars. Well, no, we're gonna make our own. First, you start with your favorite color. Mine happens to be off-white. You're gonna pair that with a different color. You don't want a bunch of the same flavor in the flower nacho. No, you want a little bit of, what's that, orange, pink, peach? It's a beautiful color. We're gonna mix that with a little vegetable, okay? You want your proteins to be mixed with some fiber, but don't forget that stem, okay? Make a clip, you're good to go. You know, this basil is getting a little out of hand, so just get rid of some of it. You don't need all of it, you know? Let's get some of this lavender going on here, huh? Love that, that's nice. Ooh, delightful, yep. Throw that in there. Some of this dandelion. Big old stalk on this dandy. That looks good. Why don't we get a little redder? You see, now there's a lot of off-white in there. What you don't want to do is in the middle, you just jam that guy right down in there. Mix it up. That's a good looking bouquet so far. All right, some of this thyme in here for color. Good God, lady. That is all connected. Rip one there. Clippity clip. Boop. Oh, that's turning out really nice. And then from then on, when you got a good base, just start throwing stuff in. The basil smells delicious. Let's get some more dandelions going on here. Really bulks it out. You want to when that lover comes into the room, you want to take their breath away. And the more volume you have on a bouquet, the less air gets to their lungs. A little bit more lavender for punch. Goodness, okay. Just put, no, that's not gonna work. Get one of those in there, Yes, look at that, now we're getting somewhere. Oh my goodness, this is fun. Oh, look at that, America. Beauty. Oh my God. Yup. Now this is the important part, the tie off. Difficult because you've only got two hands, at least most people do. You gotta hold the flowers and then you gotta tie them. Now as you see, you don't see any assistants around here, all right? This bouquet is on a budget, so you want to get that thing real nice and tight and just wrap the bejesus out of it. Keep wrapping. I'm talking like VFW, 8th grade, sprain my ankle, wrap. Can't feel your toes, sort of wrap. Subway, circa 1994 wrap. I'm talking The Mummy Returns sort of wrap. Snip it. just for... You should get a notepad, or you can just hit rewind on the video later, because it's going to be on the internet forever. Thank God.